Dear students, here the topic Legislative Assembly. So, here current issues was to be discussed in the Legislative Assembly. Usually in a Legislative Assembly, the MLAs can express their views during a question answer session. Question answer session, they express their views. They can ask questions and give suggestions. The members give their feedback on the issue being discussed. Then the concerned ministers answer the questions and brief them about the measures being taken to solve the issue. Suppose a health issue is there. Suppose a health issue is there. Suppose a epidemic, water may be spread in a particular area. In that particular area, okay, who is responsible to their constituency? In the when the assembly session, so he will raise a question about the health issues or epidemic spread in particular his constituency. So who is the MLA who is responsible? His constituency. So he has the right. So he raise a question. Okay, the particular health minister. Okay, listen and brief them about the measures being taken to solve the issue. How to solve the issue? The chief minister, the health minister will answer his question. Who will raise the question in the session or in assembly? Okay, when as we see in the picture, question answer session in the Legislative Assembly. So here we often come across on television or in the newspaper that the decisions that are taken by the chief minister and the other ministers in order to run the government. While taking a decision about anything, it is necessary to take the permission of the MLAs in a democracy. The MLAs can question the chief minister. Okay, sometimes the MLA will ask the question to the chief minister and the other ministers and discuss about the important matter. They have the right, so they will ask a questions to the MLAs. MLAs ask a question to the chief minister. They can even take decisions regarding financial matters and decide on the expenditure to the done in different areas. When the legislative is in the session, any of the MLA can ask questions. Okay, any of the MLA, they have the right, they have they have certain time given to ask the questions, related to their constituency. The speaker manages the assembly and one requires his permission before presenting anything. Okay, as we see, suppose in the school administration, suppose we talk to teachers, directly we can't go because there is certain rule, administration rules are there. So directly we go to principal office, again with his permission we directly go to concerned class teacher or teacher and we will talk about our issues. In the same way, suppose in the assembly, so one needs, the speaker is the head of the session. Okay, his permission is necessary to presenting anything in the legislative assembly. Thank you, students. I hope you better understand this chapter.